Hadin ke jiang persya haumat jong tirot Singapore Shillong. Kisang ki bape rapok kalama je kan North East Student Organization kila ai jingkran hakabidi bagi jingjah pok Manipur. Uwe nang mikman jong all Manipuri student union Shillong. Beri ni kejat bendru Meitei ulapan pau ke jing sokhia ka bajur hakabidi bagi jingjah pok jela Manipur. Uloong babaro keliban dua yakmat jong Blei kanang baka Jingsuk jing sain kan phai ha kedai ke jela. Uloong ru wal deki shong hangni ha Shillong bat kimdon pok Manipur rei ka Dohnud juki kapang. Mynsiem juki kapat banyu i bagi para senam ki mat ya kejing jinjar ki mat ya kejing ya pat ya pra bagi mat ya kejing senam nadu kini kin rubnai ki baladap.
Everyone, first of all, I would like to say thanks to the North East Students Organization and to the KSU, the Kasi Students Union, and the HYNF and the other students organizations from various Northeast or Northeastern region. Before I start my speech, let me allow to introduce myself. My name is Songham Thangamba Meitei, the president of the Shillong Manipur Students Union Shillong, SMSU. It is very fortunate that the NESWA has taken this step to show the solidarity towards the Manipur, not just based on the particular community, but for the whole northeastern region. We feel the pain the same way like the other community feels. The other community feels maybe more or less, but we from the home state, we feel more, we feel sad, we feel so sorry for our brothers and sisters that we cannot do anything, but we can at least pray to God that these longings of peace be prevailed soon. But this peace cannot be prevailed alone by the speech, by such demonstration, but by our action we have to let the government, state government or the central government must know that we are also a part of India. If not, then what are you doing right now? The brothers, the sisters, the mothers, the fathers, the small kids, the youths are being displaced. They are becoming homeless. No educations are given. They are staying in the relief camp. And it is not just for one community, for what the communities I'm talking about. We concerned for the whole Manipur. I am here not just for Meitei but for Manipur. That includes the whole of the religions or the particular ethnic groups that exist in Manipur. We really condemn the attitude, the behavior of the government, the competent authority. Why can't they solve the problem? Yes, saying is easy, we understand that. But there must be a solution. How long it will go on? Since from May. So shall we say this government is the competent authority? As my personal view, I should say no, because of their action. Come with a solution. Bring the border communities to a dialogue. It's time for reconciliation. It's time for compassion. Not to blame one another. Stop saying the full parts from one community to another community and then burning the fire more. Don't put fuel to the fire. For all the communities, and I'm very much thankful today that apart from the weekdays, the busy schedules of a student, different dignitaries, different members are coming here to stand for Manipur. And here in Shillong, we are trying our best not to have any kind of violence. That is our promise. And we consider that being here is not just for creating a problem for one community, but it's for the whole region. So maybe a problem arises, we can solve it out. We can solve it out together. We can come together instead of blaming one another. There must be a solution. So let's find out the solution. And then the government. Why we have to say the government? Because they are the authority now. If they don't do, if they cannot do, then give us the power. We will solve it out. Why is so incomplete? We feel the sadness, we feel the sorrows that our mother, fathers, our brotherhood, sisterhood are living there. We can feel it, we understand it. Though we cannot physically be available there, but from the heart, it's pinching. It just pains. We feel that. So this painful must be removed away sooner or the later. Otherwise, things may come up. So ugly things that may be planned by somebody else. Let's fight together as a northeastern region, irrespective of community, caste, region. Let's move forward and say that we are one, and that we will always fight for the cause. We must stand for the right or for the righteous. Let's not fall back for the false, because false will never stay long. The falseness, the lies, will never stay long. One day or sooner will always be wiped away by the truth. The truth will prevail always. As we say, the truth will triumph. So by saying this word, a few words, let me say thanks again to